to the EU compound still in the course of this year. And there's Mr. Akwe, the businessman and philanthropist.
We are together in Abuja, so I appreciate it.
Thank you very much, Excellency.
This books. Wow.
This is a lot of reading.
Nice meeting you.
Yeah, happy weekends.
Thank you, sir.
I hope I can help with all the questions we need discussed. So I think I can.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
It was a very nice introductory meeting between a governor and an ambassador who both have been in place since 2023. So it was nice meeting up, comparing agendas. I introduced the governor also to a Belgian businessman and representative of a chamber of commerce, who could also mean quite something for some solutions in the health sector. Not only here in River State, but also across Nigeria, but particularly also here in the hospitals of Port Harcourt and environs. So I also, we exchanged some ideas about possibilities in environmental cleanup in Ogoniland, where we also have a Belgian player who can step in and who has been approached to be part of the technological solutions there. And yes, we've discussed governance issues generally. But it was very insightful meeting for me, the first time to meet with the governor, and also, yes, to read his mind on the most important issues at hand in the state.
Thank you.
Welcome. Thank you.
Okay, your next.
My name is Peter Leenknegt. I am the Belgian ambassador in Abuja, Nigeria. Thank you.